the tarot spread for the year ahead. We love to lay out this spread at the last day of the year or the first day of a new year. At first, take out all Major Arcana, shuffle them and lay out 13 cards like you see here. Then take all Minor Arcana, shuffle them and lay out one card on each Major Arcana. The Major Arcana provide insights into the main theme of each month, while the Minor Arcana offers additional details by highlighting the specific area related to that theme. For example, it can show whether the main topic is connected to thoughts, actions, emotions, or material aspects. The first 2 cards provide a general overview of the 12 months and can also represent the first month of the year, January. The second 2 cards reveal the theme for January and February, or, if you prefer, just for February. All the following cards represent the topic and area for each month. The final cards in the center are the most important as they represent the main theme of the year. Don't forget to write everything down in your journal so you can go back and review it at any time. Remember, the outcome of the reading is not set in stone. It simply reveals a possible future. How your future unfolds always depends on the decisions you make. Here's an example of how to read the first 2 cards. The first card is the Chariot, which gives us the general overview of the next 12 months or the main theme for January. The Chariot is all about moving forward, staying focused, and overcoming challenges. It tells you to take control and stay determined to reach your goals. The second card, the 4 of Wands, adds more detail. This card is about celebrating achievements, building stability, and enjoying happy moments with others. It could mean reaching an important milestone or taking time to appreciate the people who support you. Together, these 2 cards suggest that while you work hard and move forward with determination, you'll also have moments of joy and celebration along the way. You can also add up all the cards to calculate the core meaning, also called the Quintessence, for additional insights. And perhaps you would like to discover your personal card of the year. You can learn how to calculate the Quintessence and personal card of the year in detail in our beginner course, The Art of Tarot Card Reading. If you found this video helpful and want to deepen your understanding of tarot, click the link in the description to access the full course now. Your support means so much to us and we truly appreciate it.